Today, we talk about, oh, what it do? Yo, real quick, Adidas tobacco, underrated AF. I'm telling you, bro, the suede on this is ridiculous. You can see right there on the tongue, Adidas tobacco. I found these back in 2016 when I first started collecting sneakers hardcore, and I remember looking at Complex's list of like 100 best Adidas's ever made or something like that, and these popped up, and the minute I saw them, I'm like, damn, son, where do I find those? And so I looked and looked and looked. Finally, somebody on one of these European eBay sites had a pair in my size, luckily, so I jumped at that shit, because I don't know when these bitches are coming back. Especially with the name tobacco attached to it. I don't know if they ever will retro, but that's going to be kind of the only shot for people to ever get these again. But you know, you see the outsole, pretty. The other thing I do love, just like a lot of other basic Adidas trainers, that they don't put the name of the model on the side. I really am not a huge fan of that. I enjoy the minimalist look. Just keeping it on the tongue here is good enough for me with the truffle. I mean, bro, just look at this like Fozzie Bear freaking suede, cuz this ish is ridiculous. I know everybody likes to touch it on camera, so let me touch it for you. But yeah, the chocolate brown tones, era wear, this is just, Lord have mercy, I thought hurricane season was over. Now, we're gonna just cut it right there, but yeah, hopefully they retro these someday, but if not, I got mine. You better get yours. All right, Pete Bernie Mac, we out.